Hi friends, in this video I will show you that how you can search a job on LinkedIn. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel for more related information. So let's begin the video. So here is the LinkedIn application. You will simply tap on your LinkedIn application. At the down corner of the screen, you can see jobs. You will simply tap on the jobs. I will give you tips and tricks of the job search. So here is the option of my jobs, preferences, post a job with AI. You will simply uh, let's say an example. You will simply tap on the search and you are looking for a graphic designer job. So you will simply tap on it. And here are some options of the filters which are on the LinkedIn. You will simply tap here and tap on easy apply. So these are all the jobs of easy apply. So here what you need to do is, here is the date posted. You will simply tap on past month or past 24 hours. So these are the jobs which have been uploaded on the LinkedIn past 24 hours jobs. So here you can, if you are a freshie or you have experience, you will simply tap on the experience level jobs, and here is the entry level, internship, associate, mid senior level, director, executive. So you will simply tap on entry level if you are a fresh. So if you want the internship options, you will simply tap on internship. So let's start with internship. There is, you will simply tap on the 12 results are shown in the screen. So these are the 12 jobs which have been uploaded for the internship. So there is company. So here are the company names as well. You can easily search any company name and write it here, and you can search the job of it. So here is the job type: full-time, contract, internship. You can search any of them and then you can see the results of them as well, like this. So this is the tips and tricks of the job search on LinkedIn. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more related videos. Thank you.